After what feels like an eternity of iPad users begging, joking, and even making memes about it, the wait is officially over. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to place for all the latest tech news. Instagram has finally released a native iPad app, but this isn't just a stretched out iPhone version. Meta says they completely reimagined the experience for larger screens with a focus on lean-back entertainment, and that becomes clear the moment you open it. Instead of dropping you straight into the feed, the iPad app launches right into Reels, which is the platform's fastest growing feature, with stories at the top and DMs just one tap away. What's more exciting is that Instagram is giving iPad users a brand new following tab, which can be customized in 3 different categories, all which will recommend posts and reels from everyone you follow. Then there's Friends. You'll see content only from accounts that follow you back here. And the last is Latest, which is a simple chronological feed from the accounts you follow. On top of that, Meta's finally put the iPad's larger display to good use with a multi-column design for DMs, notifications, and browsing, making everything feel smoother, faster, and more organized than ever. So, whether you're scrolling casually, catching up with friends, or going down a Reels rabbit hole, Instagram on iPad isn't just about filling the gap. It feels like the platform finally caught up with the way people actually want to use it. Are you an iPad user who hasn't used Insta on it yet? This is your sign to check it out now. Do you think this app was much needed? Let us know in the comments. Smash the like button and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.